This is my background music, copyright can't catch me. Running circles, brown hair, psych, what you thought this was really saying here? Trying to not get copyrighted, rapping on this beat, knowing I can't even rap. But hopefully this instrumental don't cost me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the long hiatus, but today we're gonna microwave my wig. We're gonna bleach the knots and we're gonna microwave it. This is the wig we got. Like, it's already plugged and all that. Hopefully it's good enough. But let's bring this in the kitchen. Ouch. I was waiting on some supplies to come, and it's here. Hold on, let me see if I could flip the camera. We got the bleach powder, the developer. I just bought this little kit. We have this little brush, that one, some gloves. Okay. I don't know what this is. Ear covers, bowl. Comes in its own little thing. Oh, tells you everything right here. Cape, apron, ear covers, gloves, brushes, mixing bowl. So we're not going to use these two right now. So I got the whole setup right here, so y'all gonna see everything. Professional. All right, let's get to mixing. Now this might be a stupid idea, so if it is, don't do this at home. So they said put this in there for like 30 seconds. I'm probably gonna put it in for like 15 because I'm scared. But here we go. Oh, I'm scared. I'm so scared. See that? Oh, it's smoking. Oh shit. Alright, it's smoking, real bad. Oh shit. Ah, don't burn me. Ew, it's stank. Ah, it's hot. Do I put it in again, or so it looks like 15 seconds in? Should I put it back? Oh man, I wish I was alive or something. We gonna do like five more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's burning. It's catching on fire. Okay. Oh shit, it's up there. Okay, time to wash it out. The only fucking difference I see is it bleached the hair. It didn't even do nothing. Like, the scalp is still the same. Like, it did not turn out like that, girls. Shut up, Vicky. This is disrespectful, because it's still the same, but it bleached my hair in different spots. Bleached it here. Now I gotta go and dye this shit red. I mean black. Okay, well, see, it turned out like a fail. It bleached my hair, not the knots. So I might do it again. Where's the lighting? I might do it again and just insert it here, or the video is ended. So if you like this video, please drop a comment down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed this video, and peace out. I need to do it again. We will see. This is thing, bro. Let's go wash it. So I just got done washing it. Oh my god. Or rinsing it off. Look at this. It's even worse. Oh, you can't see. It's even worse. Like, oh my god. You know what? It's okay. Cause we're gonna fix it. I'm over this video. Bye.